rightly said, you can count the seeds in an apple, but you can't count the apples in a seed. In fact, you can't even easily count virtues in an apple. We speak today about probably the noblest of fruits, the apple. Here I have an apple plant which can be made to survive and fruit in hot weather as well. If you intend to grow apples in your homes, then first choose a variety which shall be short and grow easily in a large container. All hill station areas in India, right from Kashmir, Shimla, Kinnaur and others have their own varieties. In fact, today's markets are flooded with certain other varieties like Queen Rose, Fuji, Green Apple and many more. Apples can be cultivated in a tropical climate where minimum temperature does not fall below 12 degrees Celsius. Apple growing is extremely difficult though, and I am attempting this once again after 3 of my previous apple plants died already last season. But I am persistent. Apple grows well through seeds. However, gardeners like me, where apple is not a native, prefer to get a plant transported from its habitat and attend by a caring hand. Apples are great for lungs, heart, bones, weight loss, brain, immune system, gut health, etc. As you know, an apple a day. Besides fragrances and flavors, apples are used to make some really popular food items like applesauce, ciders, jams, apple butter, apple pie, etc. Why don't you plant some in your garden as well? Please follow, like and share our post using the icons below. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.